Hi, I'm Bob Cooper, President of Elite Worldwide. Thanks so much for joining us. Today, I'm pleased to tell you that I'm joined by a very dear friend of mine who is also one of our business development coaches, Servando Orozco. This is a gentleman, for those of you that aren't familiar with him, he's grown an amazing chain of auto repair businesses up in Long Beach, California. And if there's one thing that he knows how to do, it's how to build a customer base that's unlike any other. Servando, tell us one of the tips that you'd like to share with our viewers today.
Definitely. The purpose of business is to create a customer. One thing I do every single time when I see my customers in the restaurants, I pick the bill. I don't care if it's 20 bucks or it's 300 bucks. That's the best way to be a customer for life because they always remember me because of that little thing.
So every time you see them, you walk into a restaurant, you see one of the customers of yours sitting over in the corner or whatever, you'll tell the server, hey, whatever their check is, give it to me and you take care of it.
Definitely.
They remember you for life.
Yes.
They tell their friends about you, I'm sure, for sure. How about that? Is that a remarkable tip or what? Thanks so much for joining us, Servando. Thank you for all that you do for us.
Pleasure.
Thanks, Servando.